Hi everyone, my name is Kendall and welcome to my channel. This is my first video of the year and I'm so excited, so I thought I'll go for something simple, which is my everyday makeup look. So let's get cracking on. So now I've got my hair out of my face, I'm going to start off by using moisturiser, which I got for Christmas and I'm absolutely in love with it. The next step is primer. I'm actually going to be using the MUA Skin Define Matte Perfect Primer Shine Control, and for my eyes I'm going to be using the Revolution Focus Fix Eye Primer. And to blend it out, I'm going to be using this little sponge from Primark. Now I'm going to be using the Dermacol Makeup Cover Concealer, whatever, foundation, whatever you want to call it. And I'm actually going to use this as concealer and foundation, and I'm going to be applying it with this small flat brush. And to blend it out I'm using the Beauty Sponge. Like the foundation left me a bit too pale, I'm going to be using the MUA Sun Kiss Bronzer with an angled brush. And next I'm going to be using the Box of Tricks makeup palette, and I'm going to be using the Peach Blush, which is my absolute favourite. I got this for Christmas. Thanks, Grandma. I'm going to put it on my cheeks. And for powder I'm going to be using this powder from a supermarket that's here in Canary called Mercadona, which they do quite good makeup products. And now for my favourite part is eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Barry M Brow Kit in like medium dark colour tones, and I'm going to be using a spoolie to brush the hairs up. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Brow Drama Gel in medium brown. Normally on the eyes, as it's my everyday look, I go really subtle and simple. So I'm going to be using the MUA bronzer, just to use it as a little transition colour to give it a bit of a depth into my eyes. So I'm going to be applying it with this fluffy brush. Then I will go in with the MUA highlighter and I'm just going to put it on the brow bone. I said it's a simple everyday look, but I have to go in with fake eyelashes, which I'll be using the Sultry Fake Eyelashes glue included from Primark, and as you can see it's just £1. If it will focus, can you focus please? As you can see, it's just £1, and these are amazing. And these are the only pairs that I have left. So I'm going to be I'm trying to get through these. These are like maybe a couple of days old now.
Guys, I am so sorry, but I lost the footage, and basically what I did was apply the other eyelash, some mascara, and that's it.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you next week.